Hello guys, today in this video I am gonna tell you how to trim a sound in TikTok video. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, open TikTok. Now add any video or photo. For this, tap on plus button. Now tap on upload. Now here tap on image. I am adding an image. If you want to add an image, tap on image. If you want to add video, now tap on next button. Now here add your sound. For this, tap on sounds. And here let's suppose I am adding this one. Now tap on OK. So the sound has added to our video. Now tap on this option and now tap on trim button. Now here you should drag to the right and left to choose your starting place from where you want to start your sound. Let's suppose now it is starting from 10 seconds. I am dragging. Now it will start from 17 seconds. I am dragging a little bit more. Now it will start from 25th seconds. Now the sound will start from 33rd second. So in this method you can easily choose your starting place from your you want to start your sound. So I hope you will like this video and also give a like. Thanks. Goodbye.